We're starting a new topic on statistics, and that involves looking at a list of data, in other words, a list of numbers. There are three averages you can find from any list of data, and those are the mean, the mode, and the median. So try and learn those now. Those are the three types of averages. There is also a measure of spread which we can calculate from a list of data, and that is called the range. So just be careful. Averages are mean, mode and median, but range is not an average, it's a measure of spread, and we'll come to that later. So let's look at our example. So we have a small group of pupils and they got the following scores in an algebra test. So you can see there's 7 data values here, there's 7 pupils in this class. And what we want to do from this list of data, or this list of numbers, is we want to get the mean, the mode and the range. So part A, if we look at the mean, there's a formula for the mean. The mean is the sum of all the values and we divide that, or put that, over the number of values. So, in order to calculate the mean, we've got to work out the sum of all of these data values. Now, if the data values were maybe single-digit data values, then we could add those in our head. These are maybe slightly more difficult to add in our head. So what we want you to do in this situation is to write them out and add them. So we have 72 Okay, so we add those together, so we add all our units together, so 6 and 2 is 8, 2 is 10, another 4 is 14, plus 2 more is 16, put down 6 carry 1. Adding all our 10s in, we've got 7 here, plus another 7, 14, 21, we're going to have 30, we're going to have 38, and then this 2 will give us 40, and then plus the 7 is going to give us 47. So that's going to give us 476. And the number of values that there are in the list, well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So if we sub those values in, we're going to have 476 divided by 7. Now, again, we're going to have to perform a division here. So again, show our working out to the side. So 476 divided by 7. So we start with 7 doesn't go into 4, so it goes into 4 0 times. So we carry the 4 over to make 47. 7 goes into 47 6 times. 6 7s are 42. We're left with a remainder of 5. Carry it over to the 6 to make 56. 7 goes into 56 8 times, and there's no remainder. So our answer for the mean is just 68, and don't forget about units. If there's units in the question, you can see all these scores are percentages, then the mean will have units in it, so it's 68%. Okay. Part B asks us for the mode. The mode is simply the data value which occurs the most. So if you look along our list, the only data value that occurs the most is 72. If you look at it, it occurs 3 times. There is no other data value that occurs 3 or more times. So the mode is just 72, and that is percent. Okay, so part A, we worked out the mean, which is a type of average. Part B, we worked out the mode, which is a type of average. Part C, we're asked to work out the range. As I said at the beginning, the range is not a type of average, it is a measure of spread. And the range is simply the largest value in the list subtract the smallest value in the list. So if we go to the list, the largest value is 90. So I want to see you write down the largest, and then we subtract the smallest. So smallest value in the list is 20, and then that's just going to give us 70. And again, just like part A and part B, make sure you put units in your answer. So 70%.